Good day, viewers. My name is Audrey Polton. Welcome to Lesson 1 for Grade 9 Mathematics. The topic for today is the Theorem of Pythagoras to find the hypotenuse of a right-angled triangle. Let's have a look at the objectives of the lesson. By the end of today's lesson, you should be able to use the Theorem of Pythagoras to find the hypotenuse of a right-angled triangle. Tanya and Steve are friends, and they were at the swimming pool in their town. Tanya wants to walk from the swimming pool to the shop on the corner of her house, and turn right and then walk to her friend Steve's house. Steve wants to go straight from the swimming pool to their house. From the swimming pool to the shop is 8 meters. Then you turn right, and from the shop to Steve's house is 15 meters. The route that Tanya is taking from the swimming pool can be drawn as a sketch as on the screen. Here's the pool, then it is 8 meters straight to the shop. Here's the shop, turn right, then it's 15 meters straight to Steve's house. Look at the route that Steve is taking from the swimming pool to his house on the screen. The sketch with the route of Tanya and Steve is actually a right-angled triangle. We can see which route is the shortest. If Tanya walks her route, she will walk 8 plus 15 meters, which will be a total of 23 meters. But do we know the distance that Steve will walk? So, this is where we are going to use the Theorem of Pythagoras. He developed the formula so that we can calculate the length of the third side. But before we start with that, let's look at the right-angled triangle. The side opposite the 90-degree angle has a special name. It is called the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is also the longest side in a right-angled triangle. Let's explain the Theorem of Pythagoras. Let's draw another triangle and label the triangle A, B, and C. The formula of Pythagoras' theorem is AC squared is equal to AB squared plus BC squared. It always states that the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Let's look again at your sketch from the swimming pool to Steve's house. If point A is the pool, point B is the shop, and point C is the house, let's write in the measurements. AB is 8 meters, BC is 15 meters. Pythagoras' theorem states that AC squared is equal to AB squared plus BC squared. Now we just replace the letters with the numbers. AC squared is equal to 8 squared plus 15 squared, and that is equal to 64 plus 225, which is equal to 289. 289 is not the answer yet of Steve's distance. AC squared is equal to 289, and we want AC. How do we get AC? We get AC by finding the square root of 289, which is 17. So it means Steve's route is 17 meters long. Tanya is walking 23 meters and Steve 17 meters. So it means Steve is walking a shorter distance. We've now come to the end of the lesson. Let's have a look at the lesson summary. The Theorem of Pythagoras states that the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides for a right angle triangle. We've come to the end of the lesson for today. Thank you for watching. Goodbye until next time.